Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, good evening.
Happy Diwali, sir.
Happy Diwali, Mukund. So we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes so that people can join. Then we'll start. So do you have any homework to show? No?
Sir, can I?
Yeah. Have you done the homework? Anything to show?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very beautiful. Like the background colors, the bird also very cute and simple. Those dark colors also I like it. In the middle of the flower, green, everything is good. Good work. So can you name it appropriately? It is written Charanya.
No, sir, I'm Kritika. Log in through my sister's ID, sir.
Yeah, just name it properly. So you can rename. Okay, Sriram has joined. Hi, Sriram.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So let's get started today. Show you. Okay, so today, so let's get started. Not much people have joined. It's all right. Maybe all busy with the Diwali. So this is why I asked last time if people are interested to join. But anyway, no problem. So let's start anyway. We'll share the class video. So those
Sir,
who are not coming, then they can look at the video and do it. Hi, Shivani.
I just joined now. Shall I show you my homework?
Yes, Shivani. Okay, so apple you have done. Nice. I like the highlight in the apple and the details in the leaves also very nice. Good work. Looks nice. And some shadows in the apple, you can add some more shadows in the apple. Little dark brown, you can use it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, good work. Okay, so this is more beautiful. I like the bird. The way you have done bird is good. So the petals are good. The folded petals also should have the same color as those petals in the outside. Um, Good work, by the way. The greens are very good. Background also very good. Bird also very cute. Nicely done. Very, very good work, Shivani.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's get started. So today I thought I'll do some Diwali special, but I didn't have time to prepare. But we are going to do another one, which is a blade of grass, and there is a water droplet in a grass. So that's what we are going to do. So you have to make the droplet bigger. So first, as usual, we'll start with the sketching. So almost right side here, the line starts from the middle and it is coming to this corner here actually. Okay, not corner, somewhere here. Okay, so this is grass. Okay, a line, grass. The grass is very thick. Okay, it's going to be from this corner. I'm just making a line. So that line also comes here. So this is the grass. Okay, so I'm making light only. This is the grass, and here I'm trying to make a bigger round. So look at this round. So maybe a little bigger like this. Oval, right? I'm making this oval. So this is the droplet standing in the, in the grass, it is present. So make it a little bigger actually, okay? Okay, I'm just looking for my eraser. I'll go get my eraser and come back. Okay, got it. It is here. So this line in the middle of this droplet I'm erasing. This double line also I'm erasing. Just I'm trying to make this line simple. Okay. So after drawing, we need to erase it, right? So you erase more than 50%. You have to erase the whole thing. Maybe if you want a correction, you can show it to me. Okay, I'm seeing from Shivani. Okay, Shivani, droplet is good. The line in the top is good, but line in the bottom, you can make it a little So I also made it straight. I erased it and made it little small curvy. Okay, then it will look suit well for the grass blade. So make it small, little curvy. Okay,
Okay.
size is good. Okay, just only this line you have to make it little curvy. So Mukund you can show, Kritika, Sriram can show. Sriram, I could not see properly. So looks like you have erased it, is it? Or bring it closer to the camera.
No, sir, I didn't erase, sir.
Okay, bring it close to the camera. All looking very light. Okay, very good, very good. I like it. Good work.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Okay, hope you're all done. So we can do that 50% erasing. So I'm going to do 50% erasing. So you should erase such that you should be able to see the line even after erasing. Okay, so I've erased it. Still, I'm able to see a little bit. So what we can do is these pencil lines, right? On top of the pencil line, for this drawing, it is all going to be in green actually. So I can take a green. This is green. Okay, so what all I require? So light green, dark green, all greens are required, but I have many greens. So dark green, normal green, light green, right? I'm just taking this middle green and I simply make a line. So in this water droplet also we have to do But what I am thinking is like, we are trying to make a shape here. Look at this, like this. So are you able to see? So I'm making this shape. Okay, I'm making one shape here, and here it's going to be one highlight of reflection. So making one here. Okay, so maybe one more here. So I just made a little darker because so that you can see. After some time, I'm going to erase it and make it very thin.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I can't show it properly because the
Show me.
shape is sticky to it.
Oh, paper is sticking to the table. Okay, okay. Okay, fine. So I'm able to see, but what I'm thinking is that your oval has to be a little bigger actually, and this is a oval. But it's all right. So now you can change it.
Okay, sir.
Continue. Okay, I'm seeing Kritika. Um, okay, looks good, Kritika. Looks good. Looks good. So this, hope you all did this shape. So I'm erasing this also. 50% erasing. Even after erasing, I'm seeing the line. Okay. So we are all ready. So we are all ready. So with this green, you can go on and make this line also. Okay, so I made this. I can make this also. Okay, so this is all. So we are all done with sketching. So this is my light green, and I'm going to start with the light green. So with this light green, I'm going to apply. See this light green. Okay, so with this light green, I'm applying this. fully you can apply this light green. So not only here inside the water droplet, there also you can apply, but not in the shape that we have done. So apply carefully. Okay, so I've applied carefully. Now I can use two tools to blend. I can use both earbud as well as the tissue paper. So I'll use earbud to blend the area in the water droplet, because the lines are delicate shape and delicate lines are present. So I've used earbud to blend light green in the water droplet, but I'm going to use the tissue paper to blend it in the bigger area, which is the grass blade. Okay, so we have set the base color now. Okay, so I've taken camera a little closer. So here further we need to do. So I'm taking this dark green. So this is dark green now. So this dark green, so here I'm making one more rectangle. One more rectangle, and I'm trying to make this area a little more darker. So this is looking very rough. So use the earbud to make it soft. So make again. So another blending I'm trying to do. And the edges also making it soft. So in oil pastels, so this is how, I mean, start with the light color, then slowly build the dark tone. So in steps. So I have a color. I'm not sure if you all have it. The dark looks like a blue between blue and green, turquoise color, right? So quite dark color. So it also looks like dark green, but it is a turquoise color, I'm sure. So this is real dark. So this also I'm trying to apply. So again, I'm trying to increase the darker tone. This side also I can apply a little bit. Here also I can apply a little bit. So this is more darker. Dark green only. Second, another dark green if you have it, just apply it. So you can use the dark green or turquoise also you can use it. You touch with the earbud and it's going to be easy and soft. So, I mean, step by step, I'm trying to make it dark. So I want to make it more dark, and I'm taking this pencil, okay, our pencil, and I'm trying to apply in the edges. When I apply in the edges getting sharp. So that is one reason. And also I'll use the earbud to disperse it or blend it. So look at this. So with the pencil I've done, now I'm taking the, maybe I have to apply a little bit darker. Just trying to make it a little darker. Just to make it a little darker, then use the earbud to spread it so that the sharp pencil line the viewer will not see. Okay, so with this is done. So just do this. I'll just wait. So the now lighter areas going to pick up some color from the surrounding environment. So that also we are going to draw. So the earbud is a very powerful tool. We can do very precisely like this. So next time I need a little bit of this orange. You can take light blue and orange. So I'm having light blue and orange. So these colors I'm going to put it in the highlight area. Then I'll make it soft using white. Okay, so directly I can apply. but I want it to be most soft. So I'm taking white and first I'm just applying little bit white base. Don't touch the boundaries, just in this area, little bit white I have applied. So a little bit of white I have applied. Now this light blue, just simply just apply light blue like this. This light blue, I'm applying light blue here also and here also. Then I'm applying this orange color. Just applying, touching a little bit of orange, that is all. Just touch a little bit. Now take the white and start. I'm blending it over the blue. Okay, so blend. You can blend it with oil paste also, and to your surprise, it's going to blend very beautifully, and it's going to look very soft. And now the tip of my white has some blue, which I'm just removing. So make sure that the tip of your white pastel is clean. Then start blending the orange. So this is giving a soft feel. The intensity of the color also has come down, and also it is looking soft. I'll do the blending in here also for this blue. For this blue also. Okay, so once you complete, then droplet is, we are completing the droplet. This is done. So one last thing in the droplet is scrapping we have to do, because there could be nearby lot of grass leaves. The reflection will happen. You can see it in the droplet. But you have to, the lines has to be smooth like this. Like this. It has to be smooth. So do it in this, in these directions. Okay, so I have done this much, so this is good enough. I think so. I'll stop it here. Then one more thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the pencil and draw the reflection of trees nearby. Okay, so look at this. I am using this pencil, so I can think about a palm tree nearby. right? And so it can have this shape. Okay, then there could be a smaller tree. Another small one. So this is we see in reverse. Okay, so we are done with this. Then we have to give the darker tone to the grass. So grass, you can take this darker green, start making these lines. So with this dark green, so many lines I made. So then you can make it soft actually. Okay, do not press very hard. You can gently, if you do gently, if you press it and kind of massage you do, then the whole thing becomes little soft, and we still see the line that we did, but the whole thing becomes a little darker. So later, if we do the scrapping, and we will get those lines. So with this tissue paper, gently, just creating this texture kind of thing. So the dark green, I've done it. Dark green, I did it, and again, there is another. I mean, same dark green, I can take it, and even second time, I just making these lines, because some lines are, I mean, gone. They are completely erased, and second time I'm making these darker lines. So now the most important thing is shadow of this water droplet. Okay, So that we can do, we will use black also for that. But this is my turquoise color, which is a dark green. I'm just starting with this. So with this, I'm just creating this much of darkness. I just made this much darker, so making this line around this. And use the tissue paper and earbud and make it soft. So the dark green, darkest green or turquoise color, you can make it, use it and make this one darker like this. So this is already looking darker, but still I want to make it more darker. I'm taking a black, there's a tiny black oil pastel I have. You can take your black and little bit, you can touch it like this. When you touch it, it is going to be like this. So little bit of black I have applied. So next you need to take the earbud and or there is another option. You can blend this black using the dark green what you applied. That also you can use it. And this is going to blend it far better. Okay, it is nicely, it has blended. Some more dark lines also I'm making using my darkest. Okay, I'm seeing from Shivani. Okay, things are looking good, Shivani. Only thing is that there is small issue to the oval. Okay, so you can correct it. At this spot, there is a problem. So you can take this dark green and try to correct the shape of the oval. Darker shade is good, but you can little bit, you can take the earbud and make it gradual. Make it the darker tone, slowly merge to this other lighter tone. Okay, so that blending little bit you can do that. And the shape correction you need to do it here. Here, the dark green you can do the shape correction. It has to look like a good oval. Okay, so the last thing on scrapping also we need to do. Seeing from Sriram. Okay, nice work. Sriram, I wish the droplet is little bigger, but that's all right. So Sriram, what you have to observe, the shadow we have done only in the left side actually. So you have made the darker in the right side also. Okay, so that is not expected, not needed, but nothing to worry. It's all right. Okay, so let's do the scrapping now. Let's do the scrapping also. So this also on the grass. So this also should be parallel. It has to be like this. See, it has to be like this. Not too many lines. Few lines of scrapping you can do. Should be parallel to the shape of your grass. Then grass will appear better, will look better. Okay, so now we slowly made the grass look more and more real. So after this, we have to work on the background. So finish this and show me, all of you, then we'll work on the background. Okay, Sriram, good. Scrapping also, did you do? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay, looks good. Nice and colorful. Okay, Kritika, good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'm seeing from Shivani now. Okay, some correction you have done, Shivani. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Okay, looks good, Shivani. Okay, so let me back. So looks like we are going to finish this drawing, the simple drawing only. I mean, okay. So in the left side, I'm going to plan like a sunrise. Okay, the whole thing is going to look like some. Yeah. So let me take some. I have a yellow ochre or something. It is not a bright yellow. So this yellow I'm going to use. Then a little bit of green also I can use. But there is an olive green, so that probably I can use. Then I'll use some blue also in the top.
Sir,
Yes. So I'm going to use these colors.
I don't have olive blue. Can I?
Yeah, you can use normal green, no problem.
I use sap green, sir.
Fine, yeah, sap green should be fine, no problem. I'm going to use this normal, this green. So need not be very specific about the background. Feel free to use the colors what you like. in the blue, I'm trying to use it in the top. So in the bottom, so I'm going to use this purple, then black in the bottom. Okay, so these colors I'm trying to use. So I'll start with this. So this color I'm trying to use first. This is yellow ochre kind of thing. So around that, this olive green, I'll use it. So you can use any other color if you want, no problem. Then little bit of normal green, I'll use it here. And I'll use blue for this area, the top. So we have to fill it carefully. So with the blue, I'm making a line in the grass, also the line in the droplet. Slowly making this line. Then in the bottom, this violet color or purple color, so that I'm planning to use it.
Sir,
Yes,
are you coloring the violet?
violet, yes.
Okay, sir.
I think we can mute. Okay, so this violet I've used. So this whole thing looks very colorful, but in the bottom I want to make it a little darker. So I'm going to use some little bit of black, little bit of black in the bottom. So I can use a little bit of black in the bottom just to make it darker, the whole thing darker. Okay, so I've done this. Now you know how to blend, and so you have to start with the earbud for the areas close to this.
Sir, can I start blending?
Yes, you can start blending. See, when you blend over this, so we have to protect this light area. So for in this light area, so I need to do it only in this area. Don't pull it to the dark area and light area. Don't move that way. That's why we can move it in a round, small round patch. Round movement can be there, so that your tissue paper will not move to the dark area. So only in that area you will blend. Make small rounds. Make small rounds and slowly progress. To make small round in that area. If you do that, then it will look like a nice painting. And finally, you have to work on the darker one. I know this is a little painful, but try doing it. Just make small round, then it is worth actually. It will be like a beautiful painting. So whatever we planned, the colors will be in that area only. It will be, the colors will be there. If colors are not enough, you can always apply more color and try to do the blending again. You can do it. Okay, looks like Sriram has finished. Okay, Sriram, the blue வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் டார்க்கா இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும். So it is good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. And one of the homework is going to be very interesting. Look at this. This is going to be your homework. This is a droplet, and you see a scenery also. There is a mountain and the sky with orange and yellow, and white and blue, right? So when you invert this, then you'll see that I have inverted now. Okay, so now you can see a tree there, and there is a mountain, right? There is a sky, all that you can see. So I've inverted this. Okay, again, let me, so this is your homework. So try that, it's going to be more interesting. So the left, it's going to be like, looks like a nice sunrise. If you want to write some message, you can think of writing it. Okay, Happy New Year, you can write. Happy Diwali, you may not write. No crackers. Maybe Happy New Year, you can write. Okay, I'm seeing from, okay, Shivani and Kritika are showing. I'm seeing from Shivani now. Okay, looks very bright. Your camera shows it very bright. Okay, nice blending. You've tried your best for background blending. Okay, which is looking good. But the whole, your whole thing looks very bright due to some camera issue. But it's all right. So looking good, looking good. Nice. Good work, Shivani. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So I'm seeing Kritika. Kritika, the grass எல்லாம் சின்னதா கொஞ்சம் சின்னதா இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு. So try to show, I like to see the whole thing. Okay, yes. Okay, so when I see this, the grass can be a little longer. It can come to that. Look at this in mine. So it almost come to the other end. So when you make that way, then this ball also, droplet also will be bigger. Then it is more easy for you to work actually. I like the background colors nicely. Looks like you have your movement is only in one direction. You have blended like that. Okay. Try to blend it in a circular motion, and that's going to make like a painting feel.
Sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir,
Yes, good.
can I add some scrapping at the uh, at the
It's happening. Okay.
at the black?
So black you added. Okay. So is it very dark for you? So it's okay. Don't worry. Yeah.
No, sir. Can I add some scrapping in that?
Yeah, you can add, but yeah, but we should have added some lighter color. But if we do scrapping now, scrapping may not happen properly. So in the background, we have to make some lighter color. Then after that, if you do scrapping, scrapping will work. I just quickly experimented one thing.
Sir,
I was doing this in a rough. I wanted to do this today for you, but I did that. See, to do this, look at this here. The lighter color I've applied on top, black I applied. Then I have to do the scrapping. When I do the scrapping, so happy Diwali and all that will happen properly. So I just did it very quickly, just to work on the concept.
sir,
So try doing it. See if it scrapping happens for you.
sir, scrapping is coming. I have light purple, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, good then. So I'll make my.
Sir, we must want to do the scrapping.
What, Kritika?
Sir, we must want to do the scrapping.
No, scrapping you have to do, yeah. So only in the droplet and the grass, that is all. Other places, if you want, you can do the scrapping. In the scrapping itself, you can sign. And if you want to write some good message, you can write.
Okay, sir.
Writing. Mukund, little mute. A lot of noise coming from you, Mukund. Looks like your house is crowded with people. Okay, so I'll try to do the scrapping and do my sign. It's not happening properly because there is no. If I so for that, what I should do is with the light color I need to do with the tissue paper. I need to fix it. Then after that, I apply the dark color. Dark color also I have to do with the earbud actually. So if I do with the tissue paper again, that again is going to fix it actually. Okay, so in other classes we'll do some more tricks we'll do. Let me see what is the. So next class we'll do some bird, then after that some tiger, and finally we'll make one face.
Sir, can I remove the masking tape?
Yes. So we have finished early today. So I have shown you the homework also. So there is going to be 2 homeworks. Second homework, I don't know what is it. Check it. Okay, show it, Mukund. I have seen from Sriram, Kritika, I've seen, Shivani also I've seen. Show it. Oh, okay, so that's interesting. Look at Mukund has used the purple color in the bottom, so it is looks like a red. Okay, the purple is looks like a red. I've used violet color. I've used violet color so that it is more of bluish, but it is interesting, colorful.
Sir, I'm using white. The color comes like that.
Okay, okay. Okay, Sriram looks good. The மேல வந்து நீங்க dark blue யூஸ் பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்கும். But it is all right actually. நல்லா இருக்கு. You have done nicely.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. See you all. So enjoy your Diwali. Happy Diwali. Right. See you next class.
Sir, advance happy Diwali, sir.
Okay. Thank you. You also, Sriram. You also, Shivani and Kritika. Happy Diwali. See
Thank
you
you,
all next week, same time. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Yeah. Enjoy the crackers. Bye bye.